Hi there, my name is Barbara D and I'm here out at Guarantee RV. I am going to show you a Coachmen Apex today. These are super duper nice, lightweight, ultra lightweight trailers that can easily be towed by anything. Just about anything anyway. So Coachmen's been building for a number of years. One of the things that I really like about this RV is this gel cap, because it deflects the wind off of the front of the RV. You've got this diamond plate right here. This little unit is only 18 feet 7 inches, so you are right at 21 feet total. That's from tongue to tail. Let's take a look inside. They've got a great fit and finish in there, so let's take a look at that. Solar is available on the side. Many of the RV dealers are doing that now, or the manufacturers. Solar on the side. That means you can have a solar package that you set out in the sun. It makes it super convenient. You've got magnets to hold the compartments, doors open. And as you see, they're big. There's a lot of storage available underneath there. They're all lit up. And their door is wide enough so you can get a lawn chair in it. The awning goes almost the full length of the vehicle. You've got a little grab handle here that makes it so handy to come in and out. You're always carrying something in or out of the trailer. That's just how it usually works out. These units have LED lighting, so they draw very low draw on the battery. They're super lightweight. And look at this. So this feels really good. You've got this nice dinette that will make down into a bed. Great big window here. Windows on each side of the bed. Nice size refrigerator and pantry with shelving already available. More storage up here. Little range top, microwave, deep sink. Nice places for all of your things. I want to take a peek at this bathroom and see what that's all about. Well, here it is. A lot of times people that buy these travel trailers are a man and a woman, or a couple of some type. So it's nice to have a flat shower. You don't have a lot of use for a bathtub. They aren't very big, but they're handy when you have small kids. It's got a skylight, a nice shower facility, nice basin, medicine cabinet, a place to put your few things, and to store a few things. But here's the kicker. I want to open this up and let the cameraman see that. So now you have some fantastic storage. You've got shelving, you've got a nice extra closet here. You've got this particular spot right down here. So if you get a quick look at that, that is super deep. I mean, you can put blankets in there, a lot of different things. That's an excellent source of storage. Of course, there's an outlet back here as well. But I think for aesthetics, when you're looking at this bed, it's a nice long bed. So someone that's tall, you know, maybe 6 feet, is going to be able to lie down on that very comfortably. You've got storage on each side here, and again, the storage. But remember, I'm showing you a travel trailer that is only 18.7. It's only 19 feet long. So you can take this unit anywhere. You'll be able to get it into any state, national, or county park. There'll always be a place for you. That's the big thing with trailers. You get too long, there's no place to park them. And of course, you know, my favorite, more storage. So you need to come out and take a look at this. If you have I'm not sure what you could be towing with, but if you have a towing capacity that isn't 8,000 pounds, come on out and take a look at this little Apex. It's an Apex Nano. My name is Barbara Balcom. I'm with Guarantee RV, and my phone number is 541-521-4232. It's worth taking a ride out. Ask for me. Thank you.